हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार दोस्तों। आप सभी का स्वागत है फेमीज़ वर्ल्ड ऑफ आर्ट में। आज मैं आपको रेजिन आर्ट और स्टोन से बना हुआ एक एनलाइटेंड पॉन्ड जो सेंटर पीस है उसको बताने जा रही हूँ। पर दोस्तों, पहले प्लीज़ फेमीज़ आर्ट की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए और आखिर तक बने रहिए इसके डिटेल्स, सिंपल टिप्स और ट्रिक्स जानने के लिए। Friends, we are there on Facebook and Instagram as Fehmi's Art. Do follow us there for some regular updates and simple tips and tricks on some amazing different types of art forms. So friends, come on, let's start. First, we will need a lot of collection of stones. जो we can collect from riverside, pebbles and stones. We can get beautiful rocks from there. Now for the center pond, the underwater scene, we'll need some fishes, epoxy resins, and minute stones and pebbles. So first we created a block of resin underwater scene and then surrounded it with beautiful stones which we had collected. And see, look how beautiful the art piece we have made, the center piece art, stone art with which we can call it an enlightened pond. So friends, with stones, yes, stones say we can make a wall art too with stone mosaic. So in my next video I will show you how to arrange these rocks to make a beautiful stone mosaic. So stay tuned with me for my next video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, as I would be showing you some amazing art forms which I have created and will let you know in my next video. Friends, please subscribe Fehmi's Art.